Okay, hey guys, it's Zoe here with my sister Zoe, and don't we look back my sister Zoe? Okay, sorry. Hey guys, it's Zoe here with my sister Asia, and we're gonna be doing a slime smoothie with all our container slime.
You're like crazy guys. Zoe here
And
with my sister.
and if you hear any background noises, sorry, it's not that. Yeah. So we have our bowls. I have this blue bowl. And I have this bowl. And we're gonna be doing that with the scissors to see who goes first. One, let's see this shoot. Right, this is a shoot. So I go first. This one? I got this one. I think those are the same ones. Okay. Should we do back to the sugar skin or just me? My turn, guys?
Chili dogs.
This one?
Boy, hot dogs ain't made out of cow boogers, okay?
Do you even know?
It's made out of meat around the face.
I got this one.
Chili.
Not made out of cow snot and boogers, okay?
So now it's my turn, guys. And like I said, don't mind the background noises. So, no. This one. I hope I get this one because this one has a lot of hard glitter ones. How about we mix them around for each other since they... Okay. Okay. So. Today's the 8th. Is this it? No. Okay. So now it's my turn. Okay. I got this one. So now it's my turn first. Do you have to mix them up with that? Oh yeah. I see you peeking. Okay, I don't see it. Okay. I want to go for one of the small and light containers. Where's that container? I don't think this one. Where's that container? I thought it was gonna be that one because it was
So now
low.
it's my turn. Let's pick 2 each now.
Okay.
So we can go.
Okay. So I got this one.
Again.
And then this blue one right here. So now it's Zoe's turn. Okay. I want to get this one. I wanted to get that one too. Close your eyes. Did I almost get that one? No. Okay, go. This is the one. Where's that other one? This one. Yes! I got this one that I wanted. And then I got this one.
Okay.
Okay, ready. I got this one. And this one. It's in the back. Okay, go. I'm just making sure you didn't put any in the back. This one? And this one. Where was the other one at? Okay. Not I'm good enough one done for her. Okay, done.
What now? Did everybody have a bath? Everybody had a bath?
Yeah, he's fucking playing the
I
river.
saved it up as a pin.
Also,
What are you trying to tell me? I'm clean. Why are you so happy? I got a bath. I went through the
I see you peeking. No.
How many fleas did you count?
Okay, ready. Okay.
oh, is Jasper in there too?
I'm gonna go for these two lucky. But that one's there. Okay, I'm done.
I'm soaked in this kind of water.
So this one.
Hey,
Okay.
Yeah, you want to take one with you.
Here you go.
Yeah, he wants to join you in there.
Not these ones. Maybe that one.
He would throw it near me.
These two. Okay, so guys, don't mind the background.
Then he had to sit down.
So guys,
Oh, boy, yeah.
don't mind the
Like that, like
background noises, like I said. Okay. Okay, I'm done. got these two. I like this one. It's the ocean and the glass one. So this time we're gonna pick 3 slimes. I wanna look at. Close your eyes. Okay, go. This one. These 2. And this one. Yes. So now it's my turn. Go. Huh? Rifle. Okay. 3. I'll go with this one. One more you have to pick. Okay, now it's down to these 2. Okay, go. This one. Okay, so now we're going to start putting our stuff in the bucket. So, I'm gonna first add in this blue one. The second one, I'm gonna put in this one. It's like a toilet paper slime. That. So I'm gonna put this one in. I made it with toilet paper. So the first one I'm gonna put in is this one. This one I'm putting in. The second smells really good. This one. It's like a purple glittery slime. And then next I'm gonna put in the other one. I'm gonna put in this one again. Ooh, this one's pretty stretchy. And it smells really good. The next one is gonna be this one. Next I'm gonna do the ocean and jar one. Yeah, this one smells like the ocean, like literally. I'm putting this on this side. And plus it's blue, like the ocean too. Tell me this doesn't smell like the ocean. This smells like the ocean, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. The next one, I'm gonna put this purple in. Sorry. Purple one. It's sticky. I'm putting this ocean in a jar one. I'm gonna make other slimes to make ocean. I wonder what the color's gonna be. This one's another color. It might be like a purple. Because me and my sister add toilet paper in it. And it makes us like butter slime. Yeah. But this is another toilet paper slime. It makes it like butter. The next one is this one. Oh, that's a butter slime I made. That green one. I forgot what I made it with. But it's a butter slime. So my bucket's half full. The next one, okay. I'm gonna put the other slime in this one. No, actually, this blue one. I'm gonna add in this one. I think this one makes it glowing. Oh, this one has fish bulbies in it. So this one. Next one I'm gonna be adding in. Imagine it turned out like red or pink. I hope my slime turns out red or pink. Hopefully red or pink. Or like a purplish pink. Yeah, a purplish pink, a pink, or a red. I want it. Those are the colors I want. So the next one I'm gonna put in. The next one I'm gonna put is this one. It smells really good. The next one I'm gonna put in this blue one. Okay, so I'm not even put this in. I'm just gonna put it in here. The next one I'm gonna add in is this one. The next one I'm gonna add in is this one. It's green. I need to hurry up before my camera comes out and yells at me. And now I'm gonna put in this one. You know my friends follow this account. Okay, I thought what I didn't make this over. The next one is this orange one. This is like a metallic. Oh, this is like a metallic glitter slime that I made. This is a metallic glitter slime I made. Pink one. But it's kind of sticky. Not too sticky. I know how to do it. That's the pink one. But I'm gonna add that slime in. And then I hope it doesn't turn out blue. I hope it either turns out purple, pink, or red. And then my last one, this one. Yeah. This one's sticky. Ooh, this one smells good. I'm gonna try to make it. Okay, so the next one I'm adding in is this one. I'm done adding all my slime. And now we're gonna be mixing them all up when I'm done mixing mine all up. So here we go. This one smells good. I made this one. It's like a really small one. Whoa. Next one I'm gonna add in. This is like a jumbo slime. We should mix this one up with our other ones. But just put the other ones in containers and wrap them. Whoa, that one looks pretty. I have 4 more slimes to add in. So mine turned out like this. That one's over there. It's like a colorful one. Of course it's colorful. What slime isn't colorful? So guys, I got the 3 slimes that I wanted. This is one of the first ones I wanted. It's like this clear one with red glitter. I really like it. And then this one, this fluffy glitter slime with foam beads, and it smells really good. And then the next slime, the last slime, I should say, is this slime, this Valentine's Day slime. but I'm gonna add it in last. After I mix it all. So I'm gonna be mixing it up. Okay, so this is how my slime looks. A purplish pink. Ooh. This slime.
So,
I'm just gonna put little pieces of this in like each spot. I actually like this slime color because it's like a galaxy. My other one just came out like a blue or something.
this one.
Okay, so I just put the heart slimes on here, and now I'm gonna be mixing it. So like it could be like spread it out in different spots.
This one's so light to me.
Oh, that looks so pretty. Oh, it's like turning red. I can see like the hearts in it. So today we're gonna be making another YouTube video. We're gonna be making a lot of YouTube channels this week.
Yeah, because
We only post on the weekends. Ew, your slime came like a gray color.
I think it's better. I like it.
Do you wanna mix our slimes up?
It's fine.
So guys, we're gonna be selling slimes on our garage sale myself.
You can.
And we get the money, right?
Yeah.
Because we're the ones who made it. But our big slimes, right? And our little slimes.
Yeah.
Our big slime should be $5, right?
Yeah. So,
But if these were combined, it would be $10.
so thank you for watching our
Yours should be
video.
$7, and then this one should be $5 because yours is a little bit bigger, and then mine is $5. Should be.
Like and subscribe.
And the next video we're gonna be doing is what's in my backpack. So bye guys. Wait. So I don't know if you guys could see the hearts, but like there's like hearts in it from that other side. So guys, bye. Stay tuned and we'll see you.